Hi guys, and welcome to another video. We are on holiday in Dorset, staying just outside Bournemouth. Today we are out hiking. Welcome to the New Forest National Park. Right, a little bit of history about the New Forest then. William the Conqueror in 1079 claimed this area for the King's Forest, where he could be hunting deer especially, and that's where it stuck. It remained in royal hands and it's still owned by the Crown. It's 145 square miles of undisturbed woodland, grasslands, heathland and peat bogs. So yeah, it's an absolutely amazing place that is completely untouched by human hands, and nature's just been allowed to do its thing. Hi guys, we're just heading up to a place called Berry Wood, and we wrote our initials in a tree last year, and we're just going to go and visit it. So quite excited about that really. I know it's a bit weird, but yeah, we're really excited. So I'll see you there. the great things about the New Forest is you've got all these little trails, haven't we? They just go on forever, and you know, you just never quite know what's around the next corner, and you're basically here by yourself. You don't really see anybody else because it's so vast, and the vegetation is so overgrown, and it's just absolutely stunning. And the other thing is they have deer here, so hopefully we'll see one of the two of those and we'll get some footage for it. Just come out of the clearing there, and here we have some of the New Forest's finest. Beautiful, beautiful horses. Hey guys, you're beautiful. Hello. Can I say hello? Hello. Beautiful. Right, like I said earlier, up here we carved our initials into a tree, and if memory serves me right, it is the tree just there. So let's go around and have a look, shall we? Let's see if our names are still there. Are they? Oh, there they go. There they are. There they are. NDEM 2020. Think, girls? Remember doing that last year? Wow. So we'll carve 2021 in there this year. So there we go. We're going to stop and have lunch now, so see you in a bit. Right, so there we go. That was obviously last year, and we've just carved in 2021 for this year. So I'm not going to reveal where in the New Forest our tree is, but yeah, it's a nice lasting memory of our visits here, and gives us a reason to come back. What do you think, Erica?
Cool.
We've just finished lunch, so we're about to head off and get moving. But as we always say, leave no trace, take your rubbish home, make it look like you were never there. See the trees and heathland just goes on and on forever. Absolutely breathtaking. Just walk for hours and hours and hours. Get lost with your own thoughts. What do you reckon? Just see on the ridge line there, the top, that's where the main A35 runs, which links Ringwood and Ferndown with the M27, I think. something else that's all over the New Forest. The New Forest cows, and that's where the New Forest ice cream comes from. Hey buddy, how are we doing? Oh, pretty, there's mum and baby. How beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Why don't you go and see? I'm going to see girls, just slowly. Don't go to the baby, go to the mum. Hi guys, just stopped there for a quick drink. I'm going to start heading back to the car now, so just enjoy the last bit of scenery. Hey guys, like I said at the start of the video, we're on holiday. Now everybody usually heads for the theme parks and the beaches and all the amusements that cost a whole lot of money. We're just saying that it doesn't have to. You know, days like these, in a stunning place like this, it's well worth it. Making memories, spending time as a family, and costs nothing. So something to think about. Right, okay, we're nearly back at the car, so I think we'll end the video here. Have we all had a good day, Troops? Yeah, the New Forest is an absolutely stunning place, full of nature and wildlife and everything else you can think of. And, you know, they're just brilliant days out here. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we will all see you in the next video. So from home with the Shackletons on holiday, take care and bye-bye.